Hello, I'm Alisa from New Stamford School. A guide to extending your education visa after 90 days in Thailand. In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to extend your education visa after 90 days in Thailand. How to extend your education visa after 90 days. Students with an education visa from New Stamford School can renew their visa every 90 days for up to 12 months. For those who enrolled after the 1st of March 2023, all extension fees are included in the tuition fee, and the school will submit their visa extension application at Chiang Mai Immigration. Planning to travel abroad. If you plan to travel abroad, please inform the school and keep track of your 90-day report due date. If you plan on leaving Thailand during your studies, it is essential that you obtain a re-entry permit before departing. Failure to do so will result in your visa becoming invalid. Please note that the re-entry permit does not prolong your visa or visa extension, and you must return to Thailand before your visa expires. It's important to keep in mind that upon your return to Thailand, only the 90-day report date will reset and begin counting again from day one. We have a step-by-step video guide to help you navigate the important re-entry permit process and avoid potential visa issues. Check the description box for the video link and ensure a successful application. You can apply for a visa extension up to 45 days before your current visa expires, but to do so, you will need an approval visa extension letter from the Ministry of Education. The ministry typically issues this paperwork 14 days before your visa's expiration date, which allows you to complete your 90-day report during the same visit. Is it possible to schedule the date for applying for a visa extension before 14 days of my visa expiration? If you intend to extend your 90-day visa extension before the recommended 14 days, perhaps because you have plans to travel outside of Chiang Mai or abroad, it is essential that you notify the school at least 30 business days ahead of time. Once the school receives the approval letter, we will inform you of the date and time for submitting your visa extension application. Please note that the approval letter is only valid for 30 days and must be used, so plan accordingly. In case of an urgent change of plan, and you need to extend your visa before the recommended 14-day period but cannot inform the school 30 business days in advance, an expedited fee of 800 baht will be charged to request an expedited approval letter. However, please note that the expedited approval letter is subject to availability and may not always be possible. To extend your visa, we kindly request that you provide us with your physical passport at least 1 day prior to submitting the visa extension request to the Chiang Mai Immigration Office. This allows us to submit your application smoothly and without any delays. If you are unable to visit the school in person, you can send your physical passport to us through the postal service or arrange for Grab to deliver it to us. Once we have received your passport, we will submit your visa extension application to the Immigration Office. You will then be informed of the appointment scheduled by the immigration officer, which you will need to attend in person to complete your visa extension application. Typically, this appointment is arranged for the following business day in the afternoon after the submission. What do I need to prepare for the in-person appointment? During the appointment, which typically lasts between 30 to 45 minutes, you will need to meet with an immigration officer, who will take your photo and process your visa extension application. Our school staff will accompany you throughout the entire process to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. Once the application process is complete, your passport with a visa extension stamp will be returned to you. Our school staff will also assist you in doing your 90-day report. Please remember that this process must be completed at the Chiang Mai Immigration Office only, as our school is under the jurisdiction of Chiang Mai. With these simple steps, extending your education visa every 90 days is easy and hassle-free. So keep studying and enjoy your time in Thailand.